Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Gas prices are to dip for a second straight week. Petrojam today announced it will cut its 15 cents off the price of both 87 and 90 gasoline. Regular diesel will cost $1.67, while ultra-low sulfur diesel is down 97 cents. Kerosene will cost $2.48 less. Propane is, however, up by 42 cents, while butane costs 92 cents less. There's a call for insurance providers to revamp their medical insurance schemes to include more people below the poverty line. The call comes from Actuary Constance Hall, who says much more can be done to increase health insurance coverage among the poor.
Medical insurance is ridiculously expensive. And I know we're supposed to have free health care, but if you have ever had anybody in any of our hospitals, you know it's not free, right? We need to find a way to do insurance so that ordinary people can be insured. We need to find a way to do insurance so that retirees can be insured. And Madam Regulator is here. I am suggesting, ma'am, that your institution begins to look into whether we cannot start using the billions of dollars we have in pension surplus to pay medical care for the retirees.
She's suggesting that the government use its policy regulations to discourage insurance initiatives which do not benefit the poor. The Jamaican dollar continued to rebound today, closing at $138.82 after gaining strength for a sixth day in a row. It means the dollar has gained almost 2.5% in the last few days. As for the Canadian dollar, it's selling for $104.56. The pound, $181.23, while the euro costs $155.10. The JSE index lost 126 points today, while the junior market index gained 5 points. Among the winners, we had Salada Foods, Jetcon Corporation, 138 Student Living, Carib Cement, and Pulse Investments. On the losing side, Mayberry Investments, Elite Diagnostic, Proven Investments, Berger Paints, and iCreate. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.